I am Mrs. Visalaj, working as a social teacher in Trinity Matriculation High Secondary School, Namakkal. In this session, we are going to see 6th Standard, Term 2, History. Now, Chapter 1, Vedic Culture in North India and Megalithic Culture in South India. Now, come to the lesson Vedic Age. The first phase of urbanization in India came to an end with the decline of Indus civilization. A new era called Vedic Age began with the arrival of Aryans. The history of India between the years 1500 BC to 600 BC is called the Vedic Age. It gets its name from the four Vedas. Who were the Aryans? The Aryans were Indo Aryan language speaking, semi nomadic pastoralists. They came from Central Asia in several waves of migration through Khyber Pass of Hindu Kush mountain. Though cattle rearing was the main occupation, they also practiced slash and burn agriculture. Aryans and their home in India. The Aryans have four Vedas Rig, Yaju, Sama, and Atharvana. Aryans of the Rig Vedic period were semi nomadic. They were basically pastoral people with cattle as their main sources of wealth. In the Rig Vedic times, the Aryans' homeland was the Punjab, which was at that time called Sapt Sindhu, the land of seven rivers. Around 1000 BC, Aryans in India moved eastwards and settled in Indo-Gangetic plain. They used iron axes and pledge became the widespread. Aryans and their home in India. The Aryans have four Vedas Rig, Yaju, Sama, and Atharvana. Aryans of the Rig Vedic period were semi nomadic. They were basically pastoral people with cattle as their main sources of wealth. In the Rig Vedic times, the Aryans' homeland was the Punjab, which was at that time called Sapt Sindhu, the land of seven rivers. Around 1000 BC, Aryans in India moved eastwards and settled in Indo-Gangetic plain. They used iron axes and pledge became the widespread. Vedic text is classified into two broad categories Shruti and Shamatri. Shruti is four Vedas, Brahmanas, Aryankas, Upanishads. The Shamatri is Idikasas, Puranas, and Shudras. Idikasas is Ramayana and Mahabharata. Puranas is Siva Purana, Vishnu Purana. Shudras is Dharma Sutra, Manu Shamatri, Nanda Shamatri. Archaeological sources, material remains such as iron implement and pottery from the archaeological sites in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, and Rajasthan along the Indus and Gangas. Now, Vedic culture, polity and society. The Rig Vedic polity was kingship based. Kula was the basic unit of the polity. It was under the head called Kulapati. Several families joined together to frame a grama. Grama was headed by Gramini. A group of village was called Vis and was headed by Vishapat. Rajan was head of the Jana and he was addressed as Janaspi Gopa. There were several tribal kingdoms during Rig Vedic period. King. The main responsibility of the Rajan was to protect his tribe. His powers were limited by tribal assemblies, namely Vidata, Sabha, Samiti, and Gana. Of these, Vidata was the oldest one. Sabha means the council of elders, Samiti means assembly of people. The king appointed the Prohit to assist for economic, political, and military matters. The king was assisted by the Senani. Gramini was the leader of the village. When the Aryans moved eastward into Ganga, Yamuna, Dop regions, the early settlements were replaced by tribal kingdom. In the monarchical form of government, the power of a king increased and he performed various ritual and sacrifice to make his position strong. Many janas or tribes were amalgamated to form janapathas in later Vedic period. The importance of Samiti and Shaba dismissed and the Vidat completed disappeared. New states emerged. Pali was the voluntary contribution of the people to the king. In the later Vedic period, Pali was treated as tax and collected regularly. The Guru and Panchala kingdoms flourished, and large cities like Ayodhya and Indrapastra and Mathuna also emerged during this period. Pali means a tax consisting of 1 by 6 of the agriculture product or cattle for the person. Social organization. The Vedic family was patronized the fair complexed. Aryans distinguished themselves for dark complexed. It's a non-Aryans whom they called Dasas and Das. Within the early Vedic society, there were three divisions. The general public were called Vis, the warrior class was called Shudras, and the priestly class was named Brahmanas. At the later stage, when the Aryans had to accommodate non Aryan skilled workers in the social arrangement, the rich form fourfold Varna system was developed. The priestly, Brahmanas, and then warrior Shudras, the land owning Vaisas, and the skilled workers, Sudas. Thus, a granted social order emerged. Although the Vedic age is evidenced by a good number of texts, it does not have adequate amount of material evidence. Women's status in early Vedic period. In Rig Vedic society, women relatively enjoy some freedom. The wife was respected as a mistress of household, so could perform the ritual along with her husband in the house. Child marriage and sati were unknown. There was no bar on the remarriage of widows. The women were denied a right to inherit property for the parents. They played no role in public affairs. Status of women in later Vedic period. In the later Vedic period, the role of women in society as well as the status even within the family declined when could no longer performs rituals in the family. The rulers of marriage become much more complex and rigid. Polygamy became common. Widow remarriage was not encouraged. Education was denied to women. Intercaste marriage were banned. Economic condition of early Vedic period. Economy in the Vedic period was substantiated by the contribution of pastoralism and agriculture. Though occupation of Rig Vedic Aryans was cattle rearing, there were carpenters, potters, smiths, weavers, and leather workers. Ox colored pottery, ox means yellow color powder, was attributed to this period. Horse, cows, goats, sheep, ox, and dogs were domesticated. When Aryans permanently settled in Sindhu and Punjab regions, they began to practice agriculture. The staple crop barley. There is no mention of wheat or cotton in the Rig Vedic, though both were cultivated by the Indus people. In the later Vedic period, the Aryans termed elephants apart from cow, goat, sheep, and horse. In addition to craftsmen to early Vedic period, they were also jewelers, dyers, and smiths. Pottery of this period was painted grave oil culture. Use of iron plough and axe helped to put more areas of land under cultivation. Crops of wheat, rice, and barley were cultivated. With the growth of agriculture, the idea of a private process of land came into existence. New craft and art developed, leading to surplus production of commodities for sale. Trade became extensive. Barter system was in practice. They used Niza, Satmana, that is gold coin, and then Krishna is a silver coin for business transactions. The metal in using in the Rig Vedic people, gold, iron, copper, and bronze. Religions of the Vedic period. Rig Vedic Aryans worship mostly the earthly and celestial gods like Prithiv, Agni, Vasu, Varna, Indra. Early Vedic period religion. There were lesser female devotees like Aditi and Usha. The religion was Yajnava certain. The mode of a prayer was a recitation of Vedic songs. People prayed for a welfare of puja, pasu, and dhanana. Cow was considered a sacred animal. There were no temples. Ideal worship had not yet come into existence. Later Vedic period religion. Priesthood became a profession and in the hereditary one. New gods were perhaps adopted from non Aryans. Indra and Agni lost their importance. Pre Janapati, Vishnu, and Rudra become prominent. Sacrifice and rituals become more elaborate. In olden days, education is Gurukula system of education. Gurukula system is an ancient learning method. The word Gurukula is a combined of Sanskrit word. Guru means teacher, Kula means family or home. Shudras resisted with their guru and serve them, and similarly learn and gain knowledge. The students received education through oral tradition, meaning the root learning, and were required to memorize everything. The subject of the study including the four Vedas, Idhigasas, Puranas, grammar, logic, ethics, astrology, maths, and military science. The students were also trained to lead a disciplined life. Only Dhovyas could be Shudras, no woman could have formal education. Age based ashramas. Towards the end of the later Vedic period, the concept of four stage in the developed brahmacharya, that is student's life age group. Girharas is a married life. Vanaprasthra is a forest or meditation. Sannyasa is a attained savojin. Contemporary culture in South India and Tamil Nadu. The early Vedic culture in northern India considered with a chronological culture that provide in other part of the subcontinent. Since people used copper, stone, it is called the chronological period. Chronological culture of India was contemporary to the metal phase of Harappan's culture. They continue to exist even after the declining of the later. The later Vedic culture in North India and Iron Age in South India belong to the same period. Towards the end of the Iron Age, people stepped into what is known as Malolithical culture. Malolithical period in ancient Tamilagam synchronized with the pre-Sangam period. The back and redware pottery became characteristic of the Malolithical period. Some of the Malolithical Iron Age archaeological sites in Tamil Nadu. The term Malolithic is derived from Greek. Megas means great and lithics means strong. Using big stone slabs built upon the place of burn is known as megalith. Adichanallur, Thoothukudi district. Among the artifact unearthed were urns, pottery of various kinds, iron implements, diggers, sword, spear, and arrows, some strong beads, and a few gold ornaments. Bronze become the representing domestic animals and wild animals like a tiger and antelope and elephant have been unearthed. The people were skillful in making pottery and in working stone and wood. Keeladi, Sivagangai district. Archaeological Survey of India excavated an ancient town dating to Sangam age in Keeladi. Excavated have produced evidence for brick buildings and well-laid out drainage system. Tamil Brahmin inscriptions on pottery, beak of glasses, pearls, gold ornaments, and iron objects, shell bangles, ivory designs have been unearthed. In 2017, Archaeological Survey of India sent 2 samples of these for radiocarbon dating of Flora, USA, The data sample of 200 BC, the Roman aircraft found at the site added to the evidence of ancient Indo-Roman trade relation. Porundal, Dindukal district. Grave goods, glass beads, iron sword, pottery with Tamil Brahmin scripts, pots filled with rice, semi-precious metals such as quartz, bangles made of glass and silk. The discovery of iron, streak peak, and tip of pledge, providing evidence that they had the practice of rice cultivation in Tamil Nadu. A port of rice from is a Purandal. Site provides that rice was people's staple food. Pally, Vellore district. Archaeological finds iron aircraft along with the megalithical black and red ware pottery have been found. Evidence for iron smelting has come to light at Payampalli. The date of this culture based on radiocarbon dating is 1000 BC. Kodumanal Erode district. It is identified with the Kodumanam of Padithupattu. More than 300 pottery inscriptions in Tamil Brahmin have been discovered there. Archaeologists have also discovered spinners and used for making thread for cotton and piece of cloth along with the tools, weapons, ornaments and beads. Megalithical monuments in Tamil Nadu. The people who lived during the last stage of a new stone age begin to follow the megalithical system of burial. According to the system, the dead body was placed in a big pot along with the subtle goods. Megalithical monuments bear witness to a highly advanced stage of a civilization with the knowledge of iron and the community living. Dolmens are megalithical domes made of two or more upright stones with a single stone laying across the burial site. Megalithical dolmens have been found in the Kanchipuram district and Dindukal district and also Madurai district. Menhir. In Burton language, men means stone and her means long. They are numerical pillars, plants vertically into the ground in memory of the death. Menhir at in Tirupur district and Theni district points to the extensions of the ancient settlement along with the bank of river Uppar. Menhir are found in the Madurai district and Erode district also. Hero stone. A hero stone is a memorial stone as a remembrance of the honorable death of the hero in the battle or those who lost their lives while defeating the village from animals or enemies. Hero stones are found in the Manur village near Palani, Dindukal district and Thoothukudi district and also the Dindukal district. In this lesson, we saw Aryans' migration to India around 1500 BC, the Vedic texts from the important sources of this period. Rig Vedic polity was kingship based. When the Aryans moved eastward and early settlements were replaced by the territorial kingdoms, use of iron and access held more areas of land under cultivation. New crafts and arts developed, It braved the way for urbanization in the Gangetic Plain. The later Vedic society in the North India and the Iron Age society in South India belong to the same period. Thank you.